Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al once again. Got something different this time. I'm going to at least try it. Well, actually I have tried it, but not on camera. This is I don't do a lot of padlocks because I'm not real good at them. That and I honestly don't have a whole lot of them. But this is not only an awesome padlock, it's an ABIS 8045, but it's been modified. It's a collaboration lock. And it says pinned by Keath and Bobby Keyz. And like I said, I have tried it. I don't recall ever opening this one, to be honest. I don't think so. But I know I've stabbed it. I've stabbed it a couple times, but I don't recall opening it. So, anyways, we'll go down this road together. Let's take a journey. What do you say? Take a journey with me. Okay. Got her tied down there. I am going to try this fancy new, beautiful. I got some music wire, and I actually got the wrong gauge, but that's okay because I found it does still fit in some of these. Because, well, actually, you know what? This may just, whoops, I want my other one. Yeah, because see, I mean, that fits, but this one right here just fits nice and snug, so I can actually go back and forth. I've never used it yet. I'm gonna give it a shot. Why not? I love trying new things. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Shut up, Al. Pick a lock. Going clockwise. Obviously, it's a padlock, so I don't have a spinner. We're floppy up front. Oh, you know what? Jesus, Al. That's the bitting on the key. The lock does work fine. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Now we'll put this guy in there, like so. Make sure I'm not hitting that pin. Alright. Once again, let's see. Floppy, floppy. Feels like the binder's in the back. Got a baby click in the back there. It looks like if I look at the key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, possible 6-pinner. I don't always believe the key, but feels like, let me see, probably 3, pin 3. Got a little baby turn on the core, but I'm not going to write home about it. Alright, you know what? These are where's my shotgun? Let me try the shotgun in the bottom. Those pins are pretty far up there. I need more of a reach too. Another Sparrows. You know what? That's better. Sorry about that. Doing everything just way out of whack today. Oh, it's not feeling too good. It's got to be one heck of a challenge lock, I'm betting. Especially if it's two different really good pickers and lock makers. Both put their thoughts into this. Okay, got a slight more of a turn when I touched, I want to say it was 2. 2, 3, 4's floppy, 5, 6. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take this out, and I'm gonna try and use my I think it's Reach maybe or something from Southord. It's got that high reach to it. Some of these are up there. I'm looking for some kind of feedback, and it's really not giving me any. It might be counter right there on like 4. Let me try back there again before I commit. to say it's 6. I'm going to try it. Huh. Five, 4. Definitely some counter there. I think that was 2 though. 2. Huh. 2, 3. I keep getting like little slight bits of a turn on the core when I just kind of graze the pins. It's giving me like it's slowly wanting to open, but it's not opening. 4, 5. I'm really not getting any feedback off the pins. That's what I'm looking for right now. Usually if I give it a little bounce, you'll get one to talk to you a little bit, but okay, maybe right here. Yeah, okay. It's like, I want to say it's like 4. I'm going to try it. Okay. I went for it. I don't know if it was the right choice. Let's see. 2. Whoop. 2, 3. Yeah, this thing's a beast. Tell you what. There's like no feedback. Well played, guys. Huh. I'm not feeling it. Got a what I think is a false set, but I don't know. It's one serious dude right here. Okay, that was a nice click from I think 2. It's not open. Okay. Huh. I don't know. I guess that's pretty apparent, isn't it? I don't know. There's that false setback, but that could just be a overset trap too, so I'm not too excited about it. Looking for feedback again. I have a bad feeling there's something all the way in the back that I'm not reaching. That's probably what it is. Well, went into a deeper false set. Hope that's not open. No. It's a pretty deep false set, I gotta admit. Felt like it was open. Now it is. Bam! It was in the back. Nicely done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I don't know what kind of time we're at, so let's see what we can't do here. Oh, yes. I gotta try to keep it because it's padlock for one. Alright. Gonna go down over here. Looks about right-ish. And I'm going to use my brand new pinning tray from Bobby Keyz. Thank you so much, Bobby. He sent me so much freaking awesome stuff, 3D printed, that he made. Okay, it's obviously it's very much open, so I have a key, so I'm going to go ahead and lock it back up so I can take it apart the right way. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, maybe it's got to be locked. Whew, okay. Oh, that scared me. Okay. Yeah, I don't. Oh, okay, it's got that pin in there. Oh boy, how am I gonna get that out? Will this fit in there? I don't know about all this, peoples. Oh, it's not strong. Okay. I think you just push the pin in and pull the core out. Oh, shoot. Oops. Okay, I'll get that. Ball bearings, spring for the top. I will collect all that. Oh, it's right here. Alright. Like I said, I don't normally do these, but I know how they go back together, so I'm not scared of it. Okay. So open, I'm not seeing, okay, there's the, well, I would say you depressed that. But that doesn't look like it wants to press in. It sure don't. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Oh boy. I mean, it looks like you would push that pin in. Oh, it comes out. Ah. Alright. Jesus, Al. Okay, shim for sure. Nice. That went in there nicely. But I want to rotate this a little bit like that. Oh man. Alright, let's put it about right here. Try that again. Alright. See if we can't get this apart, huh? I'm hoping this is the right size follower. Never did one of these. Yes, it is. Alright, beautiful. It is a 6-pinner. Get these laid out on this beautiful new tray, again, made by Bobby Keyz. Guys, he sent me well, I posted the video. We did talk about this pinning tray. I thought that's all he was sending, and I got the package, and it was just full of awesomeness, man, that he made. All kinds of stuff that he made on his 3D printer and sent to me, man. Sent to little old me. Just freaking overjoyed. I can't freaking believe it still. It's hard to believe. This community just trips me out. Okay, on the core, we've got threading in 1, 2, 4, and 5, and we've got a nice deep undercut in number 3. Okay, and 6 is standard. See if it'll pick that up at all. Very nice, very nice. And going up top, obviously that's the front. Alrighty. Nice little T-pin serrated combobulation going on there. Little baby spring. 2 serrated. Yep. Little baby spring. 3. Oh, nice. Very sharp top on that bad boy right there. And a really deep serration. Golly. And a different kind of spring. Maybe because that pin's longer, they had to put a... Oh, that one fell out. Nice sharp top on kind of a spoolie looking combobulation of a pin. Absolutely well made, gorgeous. 5, try to keep it upright if I can. Yep. Nice. Another deep serrated with a sharp top on it. No wonder it took me put up such a good fight. Okay, and last one, stay upright, if you will. Nice, it did. Oh my God, that's what was. Remember I said something in the back? Well, there it is. Some kind of crazy looking. Oh, is that? Oh, that's a spring. I thought it was a 2-piece pin. Okay, and I'm gonna guess there's nothing done on. Oh, there is. I can already see it. Threading in 1, 3, 5, and 6. Threading in 1, 3, 5, and 6 on the Bible. Wow. Well played, you guys. Again, that was a collaboration lock. I'm going to put it this side up. And we'll take a look at these pins on this beautiful new pinning tray. Yeah. Okay. Again, that was collaboration lock, padlock, pinned by Keath, Dean, and Bobby Keyz. Thank you guys so much, man. It was freaking awesome. Loved it. Kicked my butt. Alright, let's go and look at some pins here. Yeah, I can already tell it's picking up better. It sees the pins better on this blue tray. Okay, number 1 key pin. Serrated, almost, yeah, just deep serrated, I guess. Almost spool-like. 2, serrated. 3, I'd almost call that a spool. It's a really deep serration with a really sharp top on it. 4, serrated on the top. 5, almost double spooled, but you can call that deep serrations also. And then same in number 6, it's almost spool-like or a wide serration with a sharp top on it. Set pins, I call them, or top pins. This is a fully serrated with a reduced end on this end, the working end. This one here, triple serrated, number 2. 3, it layers down. It reduces in diameter until it gets very almost pin-like, and then it's got this top hat to it right here, sharp top hat. Number 4, again, it's almost like a spool, but it's got serrations in it, like a serrated spool, I guess you can call it. 5, deep serration with a sharp end on it. And then 6 was that one that was holding me back. It is a T-pin, but it's got a 2 different diameters of shaft there to it. Hopefully it's picking that up really nice, because it's really nice. Okay, again, pinned by Keath, Dean, and Bobby Keyz. Thank you guys so very much. And thanks again for the 3D printed stuff, buddy. Big Al, signing off.